This is Jenny Day. Make sure you subscribe to Fun with Alyssa.
to Los Angeles. It's an honor and privilege to be able to share this MC position for these ladies. We're going to have the ladies come up individually. We're going to have them come up as a group. We're going to have a little bit of a conveyor belt routine going on. We're going to ask them some questions, let you get to know each and every one of them a little bit. Thank you. I'm just going to stay on the Son of Mary. Thank you, thank you. Thank you to my friend Carlos for giving me the microphone. What that means to you. Okay? Got it? I know there are a couple of, we're going to switch it up real quick. We're going to switch it up a little bit. Round of applause for Miss Ingrid Reyes. Ingrid, can I have you come up here for a second, honey? Can you tell us what city you're representing today?
I'm representing the city of San Juan Capistrano. It is based on the mission. It is based in our culture. We do have a culture of Hispanics living in that community. Thank you.
Okay, city of San Juan Capistrano, all right? And are you a family gal? Do you have kids?
I do. I have two children, 19 and 8.
Woohoo! 19 and 8. Give it up for Miss Ingrid Reyes, Miss Lady Velvet Spice from San Juan Capistrano. Go ahead and head on to the back there, my dear. Alrighty. Also, number 2, we have. All right, Miss Sarah Lee. Come on up here, my dear. How are you? Good. What city are you representing today?
I'm representing my hometown, the city of Montebello.
Montebello. Woo! All right.
I have one, a beautiful boy named Raven.
All right, give it up for Mama One, Miss Sarah Munoz. All righty, Miss Sarah Lee. We're gonna have you stroll on back, and we're gonna have you come back in a little bit. Thank you, Miss Sarah Lee. All right, number 4, we have Miss Becky Lopez. Round of applause, Miss Becky Lopez. Miss Becky Lopez, where city are you representing today?
I'm coming all the way from Pomona to Citrus City.
Pomona, give it up for P-Town. All right, Miss Madam B, are you a mother as well?
Yes, I'm with my husband. My mom was here, my kids, my husband, everybody's here. Rosie.
Well, it's good to see the family support out here today. Give it up again for Miss Madam B, everyone. Coming all the way from Pomona with her family. Moving on, we have Miss Shelly Monster, Ana Marie Cortez, aka Miss Aruca. Alrighty, honey. Let us know what city you're coming all the way from and a little bit about your family.
Beautiful. My name is Anna Marie. I'm representing the Harbor area. I'm a mother of 1. I got a beautiful 2-year-old and a lovely husband.
Wonderful. She's representing the Bay Area, in case you guys didn't hear that, and she's Harbor area. I'm so sorry, Harbor Bay. Hey, my brain is not on today. It's a little hot. So the Harbor area, Miss Esaruca and her wonderful family, her husband and her daughter. Alrighty, guys, give her a round of applause. We're gonna have her come back up in just a little bit. I know it's hot, guys, so we're gonna try to do this real quick. Ladies, I have 3 questions for you. If you were to be a classic, or you own a classic car, what car would it be and what year?
Well, I have a Canon Madeline 53 panel. Yeah. It's under construction. It's not my car of choice, but it was an investment.
So she owns a 53 panel. It's not the car of her choice, but if she were to choose one, what would it be?
59 Bel Air.
A 59 Bel Air. Okay, so she's the owner of a 54 panel. Yes? Wonderful. Round of applause. 5. All right, honey. If you were to own a classic car, what car would it be?
Mustang, red, convertible, 1969.
A 69 Mustang, she said. All right. If you were to own a classic car, what would it be?
It would have to be an El Camino. Nice, smooth, simple, just like you.
What year?
Probably a 64.
64 El Camino. All right. Okay. If you were to own a classic car of your choosing, what car would it be?
Well, I do own a classic car already. I have a 92 Cadillac Brougham. All original, just on stock, but I do plan on getting some nice shiny Dayton's one day. But my ideal dream car has to be a 57 Rag Bel Air.
Okay. So she has a 92, which is considered classic already. All right, those of you who are judging, it is considered classic. And then she said a ragtop Bel Air. Wonderful. And again, a round of applause for Miss Sarah Lee. Right here, okay? You're good right there, baby. You're good right there. All right, and in second place, drum roll. All right, we have Miss Brenda Willis. Miss Brenda, come on, cheering section. We know you're louder than that. All right. Beautiful. All right, guys, one more round of applause for Miss Brenda Divine. Are you ladies ready? Yeah? I heard it over here. They're ready. Okay. Miss Old Memories 2024 is... Drum roll, drum roll. Miss Anna Marie Cortez, that's Aruca. That's right. Show these ladies lots of love. Don't be a chingo in the cabrona. Welcome out. Alrighty guys, once again a round of applause for your top three contestants of Miss Old Memories 2024. Your bolsa and your flowers. She don't take this, please. Alrighty guys, come get your photos. You give them a round of applause. And fellow contestants, give yourselves a round of applause for being here today. Again, Miss Boulevard Bombshell, Miss Amanda, for putting this wonderful pageant together.
Help us grow our channel. Subscribe, like, comment, and watch one of these recommended videos.